Very good morning, students. Class 6, Chapter 5, Fractions, Exercise 5.5. In the previous video, we have just complete out Exercise 5.4, and we have to already discuss about fraction. How can we represent fraction on the number line? Equivalent fractions, type of fractions, unit fraction, like and unlike fractions. Now the topic is comparison of fractions. If two fractions are given, then how we compare that which fraction is greater? Suppose it is a rectangular field and we divide the rectangular field into three equal parts. Then each part is called 1 by 3. It's clear? Now, it is a same rectangular field, but we divide it into 4 equal parts. Then it is called 1 by 4. Practically, you can say that 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. Because the same field is divided into 3 parts and same field divided into 4 parts. So, practically, fourth part is smaller in compare of third part. ये छोटा हो या बड़ा होगा, तो प्रैक्टिकली अगर आप किसी चीज़ को बांटते हो तो कोई समस्या नहीं है। लेकिन अगर हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाएं, आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है पेज नंबर A117, पेज नंबर A117। रिया गोट 9 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 10 इन मैथमेटिक्स। रिया को 10 में से 9 मार्क्स मिले। रिया को 9 मार्क्स मिले आउट ऑफ 10 ड्यूरिंग हर फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट। इन हर सेकेंड टेस्ट शी गोट 19 आउट ऑफ 20। फर्स्ट में उसके ये मार्क्स आए और सेकेंड में 19 आउट ऑफ 20। डिड शी perform better during her second test or not? Now we have observed that in the second unit test the performance is better in compare of first unit test. But why? We have to consider a reason whose fraction is greater. But difference between 10 and 9 is 1 and 20 and 19 also 1. So how can we compare which fraction is greater? So today our topic is comparison of fractions, कि हम fractions को कैसे compare करेंगे। There are two types, comparing two like fractions और comparing two unlike fractions, कि हम दो like fraction को कैसे compare करेंगे और दो unlike fraction को कैसे compare करेंगे। So now we start exercise 5.5, question number 1. Please open your maths book and exercise 5.1, question number 1. In the question number 1, you can see that select the greater fraction. There are 6 parts and each part 2 fractions are given and we have to select a greater fraction. We have just note down second part and fourth part. In the second part, the first fraction is 30 by 6 and second 7 by 6. We can say that denominator of both fractions are same. So these are like fractions. So in the second part we compare two like fractions, but in fourth part denominator are different. So these are unlike fractions. So in the fourth part we compare two unlike fractions. Now in second part, these are like fraction and 30 is greater than 7 because denominator is same and numerator 30 is greater than 7. So we can say that 30 by 6 is greater than 7 by 6. So it means 30 by 6 is greater. If fractions are like, so we can very simply to find out a greater fraction. But fractions if unlike, then the procedure is to find out LCM of denominator. 14 and 21. And remember, do your rough work in right hand side in a box. 14 and 21, we find out LCM, and LCM is 42. Now, what is the method? In the both fraction, we convert denominator of each fraction 42. First fraction 8 upon 14, to convert denominator into 42, we multiply numerator and denominator both by 3. 24 upon 42, 5 upon 21 multiply by 2. Now these two fractions are like fraction, and we can very simply say that 24 is greater than 10, so it is a greater fraction, and finally 18 upon 14 is a greater fraction. So two type of comparison we compare with question number 1. Remaining part, do your homework. Please note down it. Okay students, now we have to do question number 2. In the question number 2, fill in the box by the sign of greater than, equal to or less than. In the question, total 8 parts are given, and we have note down part number 4th, 6th and 8th. Remaining part, your homework. In each part, we have to fill the box with greater than, is equal to or less than sign. In the 4th part, 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 3, because denominator are different, so these are unlike fractions. So to compare these fractions, we have to find out LCM of 5 and 3. Sure, you are working the right hand side, and LCM is 15. Now we have to convert denominator of each fraction as 15. First fraction 3 upon 5, to convert into 15, multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator both. And the fraction is 9 upon 15, 5 upon 3. To convert 3 into 15, we multiply 5 numerator and denominator both, 25 upon 15. Now in these two fractions, denominator is same, so these are like fraction, and we know that 9 is smaller than 25, so this fraction is smaller than this fraction, so 3 upon 5 is less than this fraction. So in the 4th part, we fill the box with this side. Now in the 6th part, 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 16, both are unlike fractions because denominator is different. So firstly we find out their LCM. LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. Now we have to convert 5 upon 8 as denominator 16 to multiply by 2, 10 upon 16. In the second fraction, denominator also 16. So after comparing, we can say that 10 upon 16 is greater than 5 upon 16. So the fraction 5 upon 8 is greater than 5 upon 16. In the box, we will the sign this. In the 8th part, 19 upon 5 is a improper fraction. 3:4 upon 5 is a mixed fraction. So firstly convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 multiply 3 plus 4. It's 19 upon 5. The fraction also 19 upon 5. So simply we can say that both fractions are equal. So we fill the box with this side. I hope you understood. Note down it, and thank you.